Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing some tips on how you can save some money over makeup. But before starting the video, if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for notification. I post reviews, DIYs and tutorials, so stay connected by subscribing. First point is know your skin type. Like if you know what your skin type is, then it is more easy for you to go for the makeup products you want. So if you have dry skin, you can go for cream based products. If you have oily skin, then you can go for oil free products. Second point is to know your skin tone. Like Indian skins are really of great varieties. Like you can see 10 shades in the same family. Once you know your undertone, you can easily choose your base makeup. This tip is for someone who is a beginner. If you're a beginner, then do not shop your base makeup at least online, because you're really not sure of your skin color, your skin type and everything else. So once you buy your skin makeup online, 90% chances are there you will end up buying the wrong shade. A lot of you ask me about which shade will suit your skin tone. If you want to buy that product online, it is hard to check the shades, because the color what we see online is mostly different. Like if you see an ivory shade, which is mostly for fair skin tones, in some brands, like if you see the L'Oreal Infallible foundation shade on Nicla, you will see some different color over here, but the ivory shade is mostly meant for brighter skin tones. But once you see the color on the shade range, you will feel that it is for medium or a darker skin shade. So once you are pro with your skin shade, your skin type and everything else, start buying makeup online. There are huge discounts on Nicla and purple.com. These are the two websites from which I buy my makeup, so I can tell you that these send good products. So you must try these websites. There are huge discounts on these websites every now and then, so you can definitely save some money. Not sure that a particular product will suit you or not, then you can follow some beauty bloggers and influencers. Like you can search for someone who has a similar skin shade and skin type of yours, and you can see what they are suggesting for their skin. It is a little easier for you to go for the same product. If the product you want is only available online, then do check if that website or that seller has an offer of returning the product. If the product is not what you expected, then you can easily return it. So this is the most important tip I can tell you, that stop being carried away by the haul video. So no haul video is ever to say that you must buy these products. It is always like you can buy these products. So understand the difference and then select what you want. Always do a little research about some products which you want to buy. Like just don't go and buy the product. Do a little bit of research on Google or on YouTube, so that you can get an idea about what the product is and how it might perform, so it is easy for you to select. Most of my videos I say that people with sensitive skin should consult a doctor before applying any product. You cannot apply a product randomly, because that can contain some ingredients that are not good for your skin, and since you have sensitive skin, it might react and that is not good. So always consult a doctor before applying anything on your face. Rather it can be makeup, it can be skincare. Do consult a doctor before applying it. multi-purpose products like this palette. This one is by Nicla. Now this includes colors that can be used as your eyeshadow, and you can use it as your blush, your contour, and sometime for your eyebrow. So try searching for the products that can be used as 2 or 3 products. So these were all my tips about how you can save some money on makeup. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my social medias to get an update about upcoming videos. The link will be in the description box. So till my next video, take care and bye bye.